In this video, we'll talk about one of the most important decisions in your hair restoration journey, and that is choosing the right provider. When you choose one of our providers at Bernstein Medical, you're working directly with leaders in the field who help define how these procedures are performed today. In today's market, it is very common for clinics to limit the provider's involvement during procedure, with key steps delegated to others. And patients very often don't realize this until after the procedure. It is also very important to be aware that many hair clubs and even some medical offices have the patient meet only with a coordinator or a sales consultant rather than with the provider. And that is a red flag. A proper consultation should always be with the provider, so your hair and scalp can be fully evaluated, underlying hair disorders can be identified or ruled out, and a thoughtful, long-term treatment plan can be created, rather than just selling a quick fix and moving on. At Bernstein Medical, the approach is different. Every surgical aspect of your procedure is performed by the provider, ensuring precision, consistency, and close attention to detail throughout the procedure. This hands-on involvement allows for thoughtful decision-making at each stage and a level of care that showcases your provider's experience and expertise. It is also very important to understand that hair restoration is both a medical procedure and a craft. So experience, technique, and judgment matter. Our providers bring decades of specialized care to each case, tailoring each procedure to the individual patient to achieve natural and long-lasting results. Here, you'll know exactly who is performing your procedure and why their expertise matters. Our goal is to give you clarity, confidence, and a peace of mind as you move forward in your hair restoration journey. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.